This video we'll try to learn about the variables. This is basic arithmetic operation using Kturtle. So to clear the screen, go to the console and type clear. So it will be clear. Now we'll try to understand this program. So these are the variables, functions and trees. We have not used any functions. Trees we have already discussed in previous videos. Today we'll see more about the variables. And starting this, step by step we can go. So here first I am storing the name Steve Renius inside the variable $name. So we'll see what happens. It will print the name. See, it's stored the name, then it is printing. So after printing, it moves forward for 20, and then now it stores the value of 5 in variable A, and it will print it. Now it will print 5. It will move forward and it is printing 5. So it has stored there and it will print 5. It has printed 5. Then it will move forward and print. Now you can see it will print 15. First A is 5, B is 15. Now what we are going to do in line number 11 is we'll do A plus B, that is 15 plus 5. So we should get 20 now. Since we are not storing the variable, we didn't get C. Once we store it in the variable, you can see the value C also. See, C is equal to 20. Now we are going to print C and move forward. So this is actually minus B minus A. 15 minus 5 is 10. So same way, 15 into 5, and the last one is divided by 5. So you can keep seeing the variables how it is done. So if you don't want to print this line, then what we can do is here itself we just do PU, pen up. Pen up means it will not run, it will not print this line. We'll see that. Apart, I'll just not give, I'll give the full speed. See, it did not print the line. So that is the difference between pen up and pen down. This is pen up. Moving the pen up so that it is not printing it while moving forward. So these are all the variables 5, 15. Using this you are doing addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. So this is addition in line number 12, line number 15 subtraction, 18 multiplication, and then division. Same thing you can use with the functions, and other videos will see how to use the functions. This is a video to show you how to store the variables and print it. So these are the different types. Types is numbers, this type is string. Thank you.